Hello everyone. So yesterday we completed the numericals of the textual examples of chapter number 10, that were light, reflection and refraction. Okay, I hope you are clear with these numericals. So today what we are going to study is the numericals about the textual exercise given in our textbook. I am only going to solve the main numericals given in the textbook. Fine, I hope you will be clear with it. Fine. Here I have also written, like yesterday, the general sign equations or the sign equations for the mirror as well as lens. Okay, as I told you earlier, for the concave mirror and for concave lens, the object distance, the image distance and the focal length, everything will be negative. I repeat, for the concave mirror and concave lens, the image distance, object distance and focal length, everything will be negative. But for the convex mirror and for convex lens, except object distance, everything will be positive. Everything will be positive. Okay, so this will help us in the examinations. If you cannot remember like this, you can also write in the examinations. Find that for the concave lens and concave mirror, everything will be negative. And for a convex mirror and for a convex lens, you can write it object distance negative. And rather than that, everything will be positive. One more thing we will do, the revision is that the lens formula is one upon V minus 1 upon U is equals to 1 upon F, whereas the mirror formula is 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equals to 1 upon F. Lens formula and mirror formula were like this. Okay, the magnification for lens was something like m is equals to h prime upon h and m is equals to v upon u. Fine students, and for the magnification of for mirror, it will be m is equals to h prime upon h and m is equals to minus v upon u. Fine. So these were the general formula what we are going to solve today about the mirror and lens. I hope you are clear with this. Then we can start the numericals given over here. I have written directly the questions, so I don't need to have a textbook with me just now. Fine. So you can have the questions from the textual exercises. It's given over here. I have written over here that it is the question number 10 of your textual exercise given in the back of your textbook. Fine. So the first question, let us start with the first question. And they are talking about converging lens. Students, here the converging lens stands for convex lens. Here the converging lens stands for convex lens. I hope you are clear with it. So for a converging lens, the height is given, that is 5 cm. The object distance is given, that should be of course negative, that is minus 25 cm, and the focal length is given as 10 cm. Okay, we need to find V. So for a convex lens, the lens formula will be 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equals to 1 upon F. Fine, I hope you are understanding it. What we need? We need 1 upon U, V. Keep it as it is, minus, but here also we are having minus, so this becomes 1 upon 25 is equals to 1 upon F, that is 10. So now you can go for 1 upon V is equals to 1 upon 10. Shifting this positive 1 upon 25 over this side, it becomes negative, and so that becomes 1 upon 25. Okay students, now we need to remove the LCM of both the terms, that is 1 upon 10 and 1 upon 25. Say both are multiplied by 5. So over here I am writing 5, then over here also I will be writing 5, and over here we will be writing multiplied by 2 because 25 2s are 50, 10 5s are 50. Then 1 2s are 2 and 1 5s are 5. Okay, so we can write once the base becomes same, base stands for denominator over here. 5 minus 2 upon 10 5s are 50, 25 2s are 50. So 5 minus 2 upon 20. So you can write, sorry, my mistake, it's not 20 over here, it's 50 over here. Fine. So 1 upon V is equals to 3 upon 50. We can also write that V is equals to 50 divided by 3. So we can write, we need to solve the V. Let us solve it over here. 50 divided by 3. 1s are 3. So we are left with 20. Okay. We are left with 20. Now 20 will be close to what? 16. Because 6 3s are 18. Okay. Now 18 and so we are left with 2. Keeping a point over here at 20. So again this becomes 6 because 6 3s are 18 and again 20. So it repeats. So the answer is 16.66 or we can also write it is equivalent to 16.67. Okay. See students, you can see over here that the image distance what I got is positive. The image distance what I got is positive and according to the converging lens, that is the convex lens, image distance should be positive and it is positive. Okay. Now next what we need to find? We need to find the magnification, that is h prime. And we have given the height h is equals to 5 cm. So we can write m is equals to h prime upon h. Okay. Now we also have a formula that is v upon u. So what is v? So if we want to find h prime, it becomes h v upon u. Now what is h prime? This is h prime. H is what? 5. What is v? 16.67 students. But instead of 16.67, I can write 50 divided by 3. So it can be easy for you to calculate it. Okay. And what is your u? U is minus 25. U is minus 25. Okay. So I can cancel this and this over here with this. So that becomes 25 2s are 50. So 5 2s are 10. So that becomes minus 10 upon 3. And h prime will be minus 3.33 centimeter. Okay. So this is your what we call as image height. This is our what we call as image height. I hope you are clear with this image height. Okay. So this is h prime. Now students, you can see over here that the height was what? 5 centimeter. What answer we are getting? Minus 3.33. That means the image is small in size. So we need to write image is small in size. One more thing, the image height is negative. That means the image will be below x-axis, and you can also write it is real and inverted. It is real and inverted. Okay. It is real and inverted. You please go through this numerical ones. This was the question number 10 of your textual exercise. If you are having any doubts, you can please ask me. Okay. So this was the sum for the first thing. Please go through it. Then I will remove and we will solve for the second one. Okay. Fine. Second sum we will solve. Okay, what is second sum telling us? That if the focal length for a concave lens, we need to study for concave lens. Now students, remember, for the concave lens, everything will be negative. That is your object distance, your image distance, your focal length, everything will be negative. So they have given us the focal length that is f, and that is minus 15 centimeter. For v, that is minus 10 centimeter. It is quite easy. We just need to find the image object distance. In exam we will be writing that the focal length of a certain object is 15 centimeter, and if the image was formed at 10 centimeter, for a concave lens, find the object distance. They won't be giving us the negative sign. This negative sign I have kept because we know the sign regulations of the lens and mirror. Okay, they won't be writing any negative signs over there, that you need to know where to give the negative sign and where not to give. Fine. So the formula for a lens, concave lens, they are telling us. So that will be 1 upon v, 1 upon u is equals to 1 upon f. We need to find 1 upon u. So we will substitute the values, that is 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon u is equals to minus 1 upon 15. Now what happens? I can shift this thing over here and this over here. So that becomes 1 upon minus 1 upon u. If shifted over here, it becomes positive. So that becomes 1 upon u. Now 1 upon 15 becomes positive and minus 1 upon 10. Okay, I hope you are clear with this. Now what we need to do is, we need to give the LCM, and 10 and 15 LCM. What is the common multiple of 15 and 10? That is 30. So I can multiply this 10 with 3, 1 with 3, 15 with 2, 1 with 2. So 1 upon u is equals to 2 minus 3 upon 30. I hope you got it. 15 2s are 30, 10 3s are 30. 2 into 1, 2 minus 1 3s are 3. Okay, so we can write 1 upon u is equals to minus 1 upon 30. So you can say that u is equals to minus 30 centimeter. U is minus 30 centimeter. Okay, so the image formation is on the left hand side, so we can say that it is real and inverted. It is, see, if the image distance is negative, that means it is real and inverted. As well as the object distance is greater than that of image distance, so it will be small in size. It will be small in size in exams. If they are not asking us the magnification, it is not necessary to solve. Okay, keep the sum as it is. Fine, I hope you are clear with this sum. This was the second sum we did just now. F is equals to minus 15 centimeter, V was minus 10 centimeter. We need to find the object distance. And if in case they are asking us to find the magnification, then what we will do? We will write M is equals to, for a lens it can be V upon U. So M is equals to, what was V? Minus 10. What was U? Minus 30. So this gets cancelled out, this gets cancelled out, and so magnification will be 1 upon 3. That will be something like 0.3333. Okay, so this is your magnification. Okay, go through this sum once and then we will go for the third sum. Are you clear with this? Okay, so I am removing this sum. Fine. So we will go for the third sum, and that is in the form of convex mirror. It is given in the form of convex mirror. So for the third sum, object distance is given as minus 10 centimeter. Focal length is given as plus 15 centimeter. As you all know that the convex mirror, object distance will be only negative. Rather than that, everything, that is image distance, focal length, everything will be positive. So F is equals to 15 centimeter. Okay, and then it becomes V. We need to find. So for a convex mirror, the formula changes. That will be 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equals to 1 upon F Fine, the first two sums we did was for the length, and so we did what? 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equals to 1 upon f, but just now we are having a mirror, and so we are writing 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equals to 1 upon f. Substituting the values, 1 upon v minus 1 upon 10, why? Because it is negative, and 1 upon 15. So what we need to do? 1 upon v is equals to, shifting this minus 1 upon 10 over this side, it becomes 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 10. So 1 upon v is equals to, again the LCM of 15 and 10 becomes what? 30. Multiplying this with 3, then this with 3, this with 2, then this is also with 2. So 1 upon v is equals to 2 ones are 2 plus plus 3 ones are 3 whole upon 30. So 1 upon v is equals to 5 upon 30. Okay, and so our v becomes 30 upon 5. Therefore, v is 6 centimeter. This was very easy, I guess. Okay, so v is equals to 6 centimeter. We are getting the answer. V is equals to 6 centimeter. That is also positive. That means we are going right. The convex mirror V is positive. So if we want to find the magnification, then it will be something like m is equals to minus v upon u. So what is v? That is minus 6. What is u? That is minus 10. Cancel out this. So this becomes 3 twos are. This becomes 5 twos are. Okay, I hope you are, yes. So answer will be 3 upon 5. This is your magnification. This is your image distance. Now you can see that the image distance is more nearer than that of object distance. Okay, and so it will be small in size. It will be small in size. But as you can see that the image distance is positive, it will be virtual and erect. It will be virtual and erect. Okay, I hope you are clear with the third sum as well. Fine, this was the basic formation for the convex mirror. The convex mirror. Okay students, if you are having any doubts, please let me know, and you go through this once, then I will remove it. This was the question number 12 of your textual exercise. This was the question number 12 of your textual exercise. Okay. I hope you are clear with this. Fine. Okay, let us move on to the next sum, that is the fourth, and that is of question number 14 of your textual exercise. Okay, what they have given us, they have also given us the height. That means we need to find the magnification. They have also given us the object distance, that is minus 20 centimeter. They have given us the radius of curvature, find 30 centimeter. We need to find image distance. Now see students, if you have given the r is equals to 30 centimeter, that means we know the formula. R is equals to 2f, f is equals to r upon 2. So that becomes 30 upon 2. So that becomes 15 centimeter. So now we have got the focal length as well as the object distance. You know that the convex mirror, except object distance, everything will be positive. Apply the mirror formula. 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equals to 1 upon f. This is the mirror formula. Substitute the values. We need 1 upon v. What will be u? Negative, of course. Minus 1 upon 20. 1 upon 15. Shift these things. 1 upon V is equals to 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 20. So 1 upon V is equals to, what you need to do? LCM. What is the multiples of 15 and 20? That is 60 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. So 4 ones are 4 plus 3 ones are 3 whole upon 15 fours are 60, 23s are 60. So we can write 1 upon V is equals to 4 plus 3 upon 60. So you can also write V is equals to 60 divided by 7. Okay, let us solve it over here. 60 divided by 7. So that becomes what? 8 sevens are 56. Okay. Yes. So 8 sevens are 56. You can cancel it out and it will be 4. Keeping a point over here and 0, then 8.5 will be 35. 5 is remaining. Keep 0. And it will be 7, 49 and so on. So it will be V is equals to 8.57 centimeter. V is equals to 8.57 centimeter. I hope you are clear with this, students. Okay, so this is your V, that is 8.57 centimeter. Now they have also given us the height. That means we need to find the magnification. What was the formula for magnification? It was something like h prime upon h is equals to minus v upon u. So you can also write h prime is equals to minus vh upon u. Substitute the formulas. What is minus v? Write that as minus 60 upon 7. What is h? That is 5. What is u? That is minus 20. Okay, so minus minus gets cut. 20 and 60 will be cut with 3. And so h prime will be 5. 3s are 15 divided by 7. That will be something like 2.13. You can also write it as 2.2. Okay, because 7 2s are 14 and 1, so 2.12, it will be continuing like this. So you can write it is equivalent to 2.2 centimeter. See students, now what we are having height 5, what we are having the image height 2.2, that means it is small in size, of course. And one more thing, the height is positive, that means the image is virtual and erect. It is virtual and erect. I hope you are clear with this numerical. Fine, it is virtual and erect. Okay. Please go through this sum once again and then we will go for the other one. Fine. I hope you are clear with this. I am removing this out. These numericals are compulsorily being asked into the examinations for 3 marks each. So please go through this. Don't take these numericals at lightly. And so only we are solving this many for the practice. Okay? Fine. Let us move to the last sum of this chapter lecture, and that is the 5th sum. That is the question number 15 of your textual exercise. That is the question number 15 of your textual exercise. Okay, I have written the question over there because I was not having sufficient space over here. The height is 7 centimeter. So what they are talking about is height, that is 7 centimeter. Object distance they have given us as minus 27 centimeter. Focal length is also given as minus 18 centimeter. Okay, and we need to find V as well as we need to find H prime. And what they are talking about is the concave mirror. What they are talking about is the concave mirror. Now students, we know that for a concave mirror, everything should be negative. Okay, everything should be negative. Either it is an object distance, image distance, or a focal length. So what we need to do is 1 upon V minus, if it is mirror formula, 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equals to 1 upon F. Okay, substitute the values. We need to find 1 upon V. It is plus over here, but it is negative over here. So that will be minus 1 upon 27 is equals to 1 upon focal length. That is minus 1 upon 18. Okay. So now what we need to do, 1 upon V is equals to, shift is minus 1 upon 27 over here, and so that becomes 1 upon 27 minus 1 upon 18. 1 upon 27 minus 1 upon 18. Now we need to look for the LCM over here. We can write 27 twos are, so that will be 54, and 18 threes are, that is also 54. So the common multiple between 18 and 27 is 54. 18 and 27 is 54. So I can write over here into 3 into 3. So that becomes again 54. I can write over here into 2 into 2. So we can write 1 upon V is equals to 2 minus minus 3 ones are 3 upon 54. So 1 upon V is equals to minus 1 upon 54. So students, we can write it in the reciprocal, that is minus 54 centimeter. V is equals to minus 54 centimeter will be your answer. Okay. So as you can see over here, for a concave mirror everything should be negative. I was having a negative focal length, negative object distance, and the negative image distance. That means we are right. Now we need to find the magnification. So that is the general formula is H prime upon H is equals to minus V upon U. So we can write that H prime is equals to minus VH upon U. So H prime becomes what? Minus V. That is what? Already minus 54. So that will be plus 54. H is 7. And object distance is, object distance is minus 27. I hope you are clear with this. You can cancel this out with 2, and so this becomes minus 14 centimeter. So students, you can see over here that the height of the image is more than height of the object, and so it is enlarged. It is enlarged. One more thing, the image height is negative. The image height is negative. That means what we need to do? We need to know that it is real and inverted, because it is below x-axis. Fine. So I have completed this sum. I hope you are clear with this. Please check this out. Okay. It is enlarged, real and inverted. So students, we have completed the 5 numericals of the exercise that were quite important to us. Still I will see what are the important questions in the textual exercises, and we will be solving that. You please go through these 5 sums today. Okay. Thank you.